Good afternoon, students. Yesterday, I think we have discussed chapter 5th, exercise 5.1. I think only one exercise is there. So today we will discuss extra questions of this chapter. Related to this chapter, we will discuss, right? So some questions are there that I am telling to you now. The three steps from solid to the points are. What are the three steps that will go from solid to the points? Solid, surface, line and points. Solids, line, surface and points. Line, point, surface and solids. Yeah, line, surface, points and then solid. So our option is first only solid, then surface, then lines, then points. This is the process. First solids, then surface, then line, and then point. Right? Next question. The number of dimension a solid has. Solid shape, it is a three-dimensional, है ना? So how many dimension a solid has? Three-dimensional. Three dimensions are there. Three dimensions are there in solid figure, right? Next, number of dimension a surface has. Plane surface has two dimension, that is 2, because a plane surface, that is 2D. So that's why a surface has two dimensions, right? Next, the number of dimension a point has. Point is like this only. So point has no dimension. No dimension means zero dimension. So point has no dimension means zero dimension. Okay. Next, boundaries of a solids are. Which type of boundary a solid have? Surface, curves, lines and points. Boundaries of a solids are surface. Boundaries of a solid are surface, right? And next, boundaries of a surface boundaries are like a curve shape, that is. Okay. Next, a pyramid is a solid figure that the base of which is, a pyramid is a solid figure. A pyramid is a solid figure, the base of which is only a triangle, only a sphere, only a rectangle. We can make a pyramid by any base we can take. Maybe a sphere, maybe a rectangle, maybe a triangle. So any polygon we can take. Next, the side faces of a pyramid are. A pyramid that have side faces, that is of like a triangle, like this, triangles. So the side faces of a pyramid is triangle only. Okay? So side faces of the pyramids are triangle shape. Next, through two distinct points, there is no line that passes through them. There is a unique line that passes through them. There are two lines that passes through them, and there are more than two lines that passes through them. We have done so many times this thing that through two distinct points, if we are having two distinct points, only one line can pass, only unique line that will pass through them. So second, B option is correct, because in between 2 points only one line will pass, right? Next, the things which are double of the same things are, the things which are double of the, that is the Euclid axiom. The things which are double of the same things are equal, unequal, half of the same thing and double of the same thing. So things which are double of the same things are equal. Like if we will talk about x, that is also equal y. If we will talk about 2, we will multiply with 2, then it is also 2y. So if things are equal, then their double are also equal, right? Next, Euclid's fifth postulate is the whole is greater than the part. No, it is not the fifth postulate. The circle may be described with any center and any radius. This is also not fifth postulate. All right angle are equal to one another. This is also not fifth postulate. D. If a straight line falling on the two straight lines make the interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angle is less than two right angle. Yes, this is the fifth postulate given by the Euclid, that if a straight line falling on the two straight line are there and one straight line will fall on that, then their interior angle sum is less than 180 only when they will meet at one point. Lines are not parallel, because if the lines are parallel then their interior angle sum is 180 degree, but here written interior angle sum is less than 180. If we will produce these lines indefinitely, then they will meet that on the one side which the sum of angle is less than two right angle. That the Euclid fifth postulate is there, right? Next, axiom are assumed. Axiom, that is assumed universal truth in all branches of the mathematics. Universal truth, specific geometry, theorems or definitions. No, these are not true. So axioms are assumed universal truth in all the branches of the mathematics. We can assume this in each and every branch of the mathematics, right? So A option is correct. Next, Euclid belongs to which country? Which country he was belonging? Babylonia, Egypt, Greece and India. So our option is C. He belonged to the Greece. So I think these 13th question today we have discussed, and I think hope these all question will understand, and now it's time to be over. So thank you very much for watching this video.